Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of tamarind cultivation, harvesting, and processing.
Roots.
In this video, we will take you on a fascinating journey through the world of tamarind, from the tiny seedlings planted in the ground to the mouth-watering transformation of tamarind into delicious dishes. Our journey begins with the humble tamarind seedling. Planting tamarind is a meticulous process that starts with selecting a sunny location with well-draining soil. It is crucial to ensure that there is enough space for the tree to grow to its maximum height and width. The first step in planting is to loosen the soil and mix in organic fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients for the tree. The tamarind seedlings are then planted in prepared holes about 15 to 20 feet apart, and soil is packed around them to encourage strong growth. Regular watering is critical, especially in the early stages, with weekly watering and monthly weed removal being essential tasks. After about a year, it becomes necessary to prune the branches to stimulate the tree's growth. Additionally, annual fertilization in the spring is crucial to supply the nutrients needed for the tree's development. With proper care, tamarind trees will begin to flower and bear fruit within 3 to 5 years. The fruits are ready for harvest when they turn brown and become crisp. As the tamarind harvesting season approaches, farmers must prepare meticulously for this process. They need to be equipped with the necessary tools and equipment, such as specialized pruning shears and carts, to transport the fruit conveniently. During the harvesting process, farmers carefully cut each pod from the tree, ensuring not to damage the branches or the remaining fruit. They also separate any damaged or unripe pods to maintain the quality of the harvest. On average, a medium-sized farm can harvest about 5,000 to 10,000 kilograms of tamarind fruit per season. The harvesting process can take 2 to 3 weeks to complete, depending on the size of the orchard and the number of trees planted. Harvesting tamarind requires technical skills, experience, and meticulous attention to detail to ensure the highest quality for the final product. Once harvested, the tamarind is gathered and transported to specialized processing facilities where the magic happens. The transformation of tamarind into delicious, fragrant tamarind candies begins here. First, the tamarind pods are peeled to extract the pulp. The pulp is then separated from the seeds and fibers. The tamarind pulp is combined with sugar, salt, and other spices in appropriate proportions. This mixture is cooked over low heat until it thickens into a sticky paste. Once thickened, the mixture is poured into molds to form tamarind candies, which are then allowed to cool and solidify before being packaged. The tamarind candies are stored in sealed boxes or packaging to prevent air exposure and ensure freshness. They should be stored in a dry place, away from direct sunlight and high temperatures. Typically, tamarind candies can be stored for 6 months to a year, but for the best quality, it is recommended to consume them within 3 to 6 months of purchase. Tamarind is not only used to make delicious candies, but is also a versatile ingredient in many other dishes. Its unique sweet and sour flavor profile and distinctive aroma make it a fantastic ingredient for creating unique and enticing dishes. One of the key benefits of tamarind is its ability to improve digestive health due to its anti-inflammatory properties and soothing effect on the stomach lining. Tamarind is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals and reduce the risk of cancer. Have you ever tried dishes containing tamarind? Feel free to share your experiences with using tamarind in daily cooking. Drop your comments below to join the discussion and explore more creative ways to enjoy the special flavor of tamarind. The versatile tamarind offers a myriad of benefits that extend beyond its delightful taste, from its culinary applications to its health-enhancing properties. If you found this exploration of tamarind's journey from cultivation to processing intriguing, stay tuned for more videos on this topic. We will delve into the art of transforming tamarind into perfect sauces and explore even more culinary delights. Support means the world to us, and with your encouragement, we will continue to bring you engaging content that celebrates the wonders of nature's bounty. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's embark on a flavorful journey filled with discovery and deliciousness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.